Okay, this is Fisherman's Wharf. We're starting out with Harbourview Hotel, which is a pretty cool looking building. And we also have this Sands Casino right here. So I'll tell you all about it in a minute. And we're gonna go over that way. And the culture center's over that way. Go check out the room. Okay, I'm the content creator for this channel. If you like what I'm doing, just subscribe and hit the like button. So the Sands Casino won't let us in because basically all there is right there is McDonald's and a KFC, and then you go right into the casino. And basically most of that casino is the casino. Casino meaning where they gamble at. So I don't think I want to go into it. Some buses. We have to stop at the stoplights for pedestrians. But yeah, this is the outside of the Sands, and we are going to try to catch the green light. And now we have the harbor view right there. It's a pretty cool artwork. You can see the artwork all along the wall there. Let's see. There's the Babylon Casino. Straight ahead is the Science Center, and over there is the Cultural Center. And over there is Wind Casino's way in the background, and then a bunch of commercial business offices. And then that, of course, is the Sands. So the reason I don't go into the Sands is because it's basically like I can't bring the camera into the gambling areas, and the gambling area is most of that particular casino. And there are some entertainment stuff in there, like for example, there's maybe we should do, let's just do Harbourview, and we'll just create one video with Harbourview. That way you can kind of see Fisherman's Wharf deserves its own separate one, because I'm focusing a little bit too much time on here. I think if we go into this hotel, it's also blocked. But I do kind of want to get into the artwork part. So yeah, kind of in between two places now. Let me just see if I can... The exterior was really beautiful. There's Harbourview right there. Then you also have some artwork right over here too. It's the lobby. Yeah, I like the artwork here. There's some of it right there, and then you got that artwork up there as well. Praha. Yeah, I like that. I guess that's part of the hotel. So you can have a room that kind of goes out a little bit and then overlooks the other casino, Sands. So I guess Harbourview, you could have access to Fisherman's Wharf, plus this Sands Casino, plus the Cultural Center, plus the Science Center. And we're just gonna walk around the corner and just kind of see what's there. Check out this artwork. So I believe this is all Harbourview as well. And what is that in Czech language, I think? Or another? All right. All right. So now we're gonna get into wonder if we can walk into there or not. Well, we'll stick with Harbourview. But they got this Jimmy's Kitchen Esplanada. And then we have this too. Maybe later we can try to get into that. And we're just gonna walk around it. Yeah, this would be a good Harbourview one, because then we can, then we'll focus on Fisherman's Wharf, which is over there, in a minute. Looks like they're doing all kinds of cool stuff here. So we'll turn around and then we'll focus on Fisherman's, or on Harbourview Hotel in a minute. Huh. Really doing some cool stuff here. Okay. And there's the backside of Harbourview. Pretty cool artwork. Huh. It's weird. This is one big massive parking lot, as you can see. But it looks like it could be, like over there we see all these chairs and kind of these food tents. So it seems like this could be closer to the building, but they want the parking here instead. Kind of strange, because there's not really, it's hard to drive into Macau. It's a small little island that's, anyways. I guess you could park here and then go to there. But it seems like the other way would be, well, anyways, whatever. Let's keep on walking. Noodles. Okay, we're gonna end this in a minute. I just want to tap into what we're gonna do on our next video, which is gonna be more of the Fisherman's Wharf. Now we can sands. All right, let's just end it right there. Chiquinha, chiquinha.